Hello there and welcome to another tutorial, and in this video I will be going over how to create image to image in Leonardo AI. And if that sounds about right, then let's dive right in. Alright, so first up, you would want to create an account if you do not have an account, or you can sign in using Apple, Google or Microsoft, or you can just input your email right here and your password, but I'll be using my Google account to sign up for this. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, I will be going over some things right here. So as you can see right here by the left, we're seeing there's 150 credits, and this usually resets to about 19 hours. So you have about 150 credits to use each day, since this is a free account. You can upgrade to premium. As you can see, there are a lot of things we cannot do on this account currently. So with 150 tokens, yeah, there are a lot of things we can't do. That said, let's get started. Alright, so on this screen, what we want to do is we want to go to image generation right here under user tools. And on this page, what we're going to do is, first of all, we have a number of images we're going to generate. I think I'll stick with 3 for now. And these options are options that I will be testing out later: tuotorial and alchemy. We'll go into details about how they work later on. And this is simply the image dimension, the output image dimension. So I think it's best to stay with the default option right there. And what we're interested in is this image to image right here. So as you can see, it's already selected, so I'll just click on show me. So this is your image input. We can drag and drop, and though we're actually limited to about, I think, 4 images. Yeah, about 4 images. And as you can see, it supports PNG, JPG, and of course web. And it's the file size you can upload is 5 MB. So you might need to be certain your file size isn't that large. And the thing with this is that you can, so I'll just click away from here again. So the thing is, once I click on this, you have an opportunity of adding your previously generated images to this, if that is something you want to do. And you can also add images from community feeds. That is, of course, images that have already been generated by other users of this application. And do note, all the images on the community feed is free. So yeah, you can use them if that is something you're looking to do. I'll just click here to get something from my hard drive. Alright, and it loads. So there are some options that I would like to test out. So first of all, this is as you can see, this the scroll bar here, this is the strength. And so it's kind of like a guidance as to how much of this image I want my generated image to look like. And I think the best options are usually about 75, 0.75. It's kind of like the best. So image to image is selected. You can select these other ones, but as you can see, they're premium. So that's kind of like the idea. So now for our prompt. First things first, you would want to select a model for this image. Most models are better off for something else. I'll just go down here. I clicked on this tab here, and you just need to click on select other models. So we can go through the collection of models and pick something that kind of wants to look like what we're looking for. So I'm actually looking for something a bit more anime-ish, yes, so to speak, something that would give me a kind of anime fantasy vibe. Alright, so probably I'll just do something with this Dream Shaper V6. So as you can see, it's we'll just go through some examples, some samples over here. Right, so this isn't bad. This isn't bad. It does give an anime vibe. So I'll just generate with this model. Click to activate it. And as you can see right here, this model is on. So as you can see, the model is selected, and the strength is set to 0.57. So what's left is for me to generate my prompts. Now I have some prompts right here. I have some of them. So there are of course 5 different kinds of prompts you can, well, there are 5 different kinds of prompts I usually use. There's one called data night conversion. It's a kind of concept or idea when you're creating your prompts to kind of imagine the overall setting, temperature, and of course mood of your of the image you're trying to generate. So there is data night conversion, seasonal transformation, historical restoration, fantasy creature creation, and of course urban decay to renewal. So I'm thinking I'll go with fantasy creature creation. Well, I think probably I'll just go with data night conversion and see how this works for me. So you can come up with yours, or you can just copy what I have here. Either way, it should work for you. So I'll just drop that there, and I'll add negative prompts, and this will just be things you don't want. So I'll just copy the negative prompts right here. You can find examples out there and modify them to kind of fit what you want. Generally, that's the idea. Right, so that should work, and as you can see, it will cost about 17 tokens to generate this image. So let's go to image guidance and see. Alright, so everything here looks good. Prompt generation, everything here looks good. So I'll just click on generate. Alright, as you can see, the results I got actually vary a lot from the original, but it's all due to the prompt: transform a daytime landscape photograph into a stunning night scene, adding twinkling stars. Alright, so it's this I guess the prompt wasn't really ideal for the image, so that's probably why I don't have that much of a desired results. But then again, the idea here is just to show you exactly how to make use of this. So I'll just reduce the strength to about 40, and I'll just regenerate this. All right. So that's kind of like it. You can try yours. You can try yours and just play with a lot. This is the engine I'm using. Probably another engine might be better with this, for this rather. So it's just a matter of you just going in there and tweaking things to get what you want. But generally, this is how image to image works on Leonardo AI. This is how it works. You select an image, you kind of like tweak the strength and look for the right model for your image conversion or image generation, and you can add negative prompts, which is of course things that you definitely don't want to see. So I guess I did not do a good job in actually telling been telling this AI what to do. And the issues that arose from this, if you took notes, is the fact that the prompt I originally had did not match with the image I had. Now, I did this so I could point something really important out. The fact that I'm generating, like, your prompts need to describe what you want based on what you have. Now, there has to be this really close resemblance between where you are and where you're looking to go, what you're looking to get. That is the general concept, or should I say general idea, as to how you can generate ideal realistic images. So I'll just go ahead and download most of these. And I think that's basically it for this video. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. So yeah, in this tutorial I did show you how to use image to image and how to generate prompts, and I equally stress the fact that your prompts have to describe your current image, and of course be able to in detail. You can generate prompts that are of course are longer than this, more detailed than this rather, and generally it will help. And being able to identify a engine, that's a model rather, that will best give you your desired results would help. And being able to tweak this the being able to tweak the image to image bar right here will give you the will generate an image closest to what you're looking for. So it's not really as straightforward a process as you may think, but generally it's a matter of you just going in there and playing around with the whole thing and trying to see what works for you. So do keep in mind that you have limited coins, or tokens rather, on a 19 to 19 hour basis, so you would need to limit the number of generations you make just so you have enough coins to go around. And I use 3, so you can use 2 or more depending on what you're looking for, how many variations of this design you're looking for. So yeah, that can work, and that's it for this video. If this video did give you some insights or tips on how to go about image to image generation in Leonardo AI, then of course do well to leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in another video.